Hi everyone, welcome in our channel. Today I share the most popular and tasty snack, chicken cutlet. This recipe is for all the chicken lovers. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with the ingredients. First we need boneless chicken 200 gram. Grain the chicken in a mixer grinder. 2 boiled and smashed potato, 4 to 5 green chillies, ginger garlic paste, 1 tomato, 2 finely chopped onion, 2 eggs, beat the egg by a fork, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, sugar, cumin seeds, Pudina, 2 dry red chillies, salt, breadcrumbs, tomato sauce and white oil or refined oil. Now heat a frying pan, add refined oil, then add cumin seeds. Dry red chillies, and add little bit of turmeric powder to prevent the splash of oil. Now add the chopped onion and green chillies and saute the onion until it gets golden brown. Then add the sugar. Stir it very well. Add chopped tomato, then add required salt. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. And mix all the ingredients well. And after the ingredients are nicely coated with the onion, add the grinded chicken and mixed well. Then add required salt. After mixing, cover the chicken until it is fully cooked. After 5 to 6 minutes, add the smashed potato and mix all the ingredients well for 2 to 3 minutes. Then switch off the flame. So now the filling for the cutlet is ready. Just check the seasoning before you start making cutlets. Take a little bit of chicken filling and roll it into a nice even sized patties. Dip it into the egg and coat it in the breadcrumbs. Then again dip it in eggs and coat it with breadcrumbs for double coating. Now the cutlets are ready to fry. Then take another frying pan, add oil. Heat the oil on medium to high flame for deep frying. Gently drop the cutlets into oil. Make sure the oil is nicely hot. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes until it gets golden brown. Then take it out in a plate. The absolutely delicious and crunchy chicken cutlet is ready to serve. Do try this recipe at home and serve the cutlets with tomato sauce or kasundi. Thanks for watching.